This is nice. Hi. There?
Okay.
Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, sorry, sorry. Oh boy. Oh, it's not stopping po. Sit down, sit down.
Oh my god, this is awesome. Yes. You can take off your mask.
I think nobody's riding with us.
So like and subscribe to Courage Me if I'm afraid of heights. And comment what is your favorite ride. And
This is the Skyway. We're going to
Skyworld.
Skyworld.
I think it's Skyway.
From Awana Station to
Skyway. Oh, okay.
Genting Highlands.
Yeah, how do you like my dumb? I got it when I was young. Yeah.
We're going
Whoa!
up.
Wait, this is
Look at the
neat.
mug. This is nice.
Look.
Whee! Goodbye. See you later.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
someone's talking.
Spanning a distance of 2.8 kilometers, a ride on the Awana Skyway will give you breathtaking views over the city.
Yo.
It's part of Resorts World.
Okay.
Yes.
This is so.
Lahat.
It's one of their gimmicks.
Whoa. this
Oh, is this even
is
safe?
No. This is sick, dude. What? Oh my god. This is so cool. I can see the whole. I can see the whole. I can see the whole mall there. Yeah. This is
The whole mall?
Yeah, like,
Oh yeah. The tower is nice, oh.
Yes, like this is so awesome.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's. Oh, so you can take a cab going up.
Oh.
Kasi may road pa rin.
Oh, I can see the.
Look at the fog.
The water.
Oh
Oh.
my god, this is sick, dude. Oh, I see cars and a bus. I saw the bus. I saw the bus.
I wish we have like this in Baguio, no?
Yeah, also in Philippines. I wish we had this. Oh, we didn't cross pala.
Oh.
Oh. Oh my God. OMG. Ayan.
Naman is ano.
Oh my God.
So you can stop over here sa Chinwe Station. The next stop is the Skyworld or
Napupunta sila dun sa mga castle.
yeah, maybe.
Oh, this is so much fun. Wow.
Awana Skyway, your highway through the clouds. Our next stop is Sky Avenue Station.
Sky Avenue Station.
Sea-level
I think that's the last station, guys.
shopping, dining, and so much more. Shortly, we'll fly over Genting Skyworld, a new world-class theme park full of exciting rides, attractions, and live entertainment. Visit GentingSkyworld.com for more.
But before we go to the Skyway, check out the new
Ano?
check out the new toys, Real Steel, Toy Story.
Hindi, walang babaan dito.
We see. Alright, so we're back again.
We're too high.
Oh my god!
This Sa entire theme
Wow.
park. Whoa, a lot of people.
This is so awesome.
Best Christmas ever.
Genting Skywards Hotel.
This is the hotel. Oh.
Dude, this is awesome. Whoa, 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 we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back. Whoa,
The
oh,
world's largest.
oh, we're down.
This is really nice.
Yeah,
Like
you
it, ah.
better not drop your phone, Dad.
Take money.
Alright, this is the last one. Hey, even the Rodney's house. Oh, wait, is
Tumatakbo
that,
na sila.
Sino?
is that Rodney's house? Is that,
Naka-open lang kasi.
Ah, yes.
is that Rodney's house? Or...
Oh, yeah, Rodney's ha. There. It's Rodney.
Whoa. Rodney.
The big guy. There. Oh, you don't see it?
I don't see it.
There. Ayun.
We're here. We're arriving
Going in the
at
wrong direction.
Sky Avenue. Okay? See you later.
Alright. See you later, guys. Peace.